Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an alternator in a Hyundai Tucson. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. This prevents electrical shorts and accidental starts. Make sure your vehicle is securely supported on jack stands on a flat surface. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from potential hazards. Taking these initial steps ensures a safe working environment for the entire process. Now, let's get to the alternator. You'll need to loosen the serpentine belt tensioner to take the belt off the alternator pulley. Next, carefully disconnect all electrical connectors attached to the alternator. There are typically 2 or 3 mounting bolts holding it in place. Remove these. Depending on your specific Tucson model, you might also need to temporarily move components like the air intake or power steering pump for better access. With everything disconnected, you can now carefully extract the old alternator. It might be a tight fit, so take your time to maneuver it out. Pay close attention to how it was oriented, as this will help immensely when installing the new unit. This is also a great opportunity to inspect your serpentine belt. If you notice any cracks, fraying, or excessive wear, it's wise to replace it now to avoid future issues. Finally, let's install your new alternator. Carefully position it into place, ensuring it aligns with the mounting points, then secure it with the bolts. Reconnect all electrical connectors firmly. Now, reroute the serpentine belt and apply the correct tension. Once everything is reconnected, including the negative battery terminal, start your engine. Check your dashboard for the battery light and use a voltmeter to confirm proper charging, typically around 13.5 to 14.5 volts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.